Hey everyone, John Struckman here from Pro Approach Bowling, and today we're going to bowl with the Roto Grip Xcell. It's the newest ball from Roto Grip. It takes us all the way back towards that 2000 line of the original cell. So this is the new version, the Xcell. I'm going to bowl a full game today, and we'll just see how this ball is and how strong it really is. I think it's going to be really strong, but let's take a look. So this is the Roto Grip Xcell. So I got that one a little in off my hand, meaning that I missed my target just a little bit, but not a bad start. I think if I get this ball a little further right at the break point, it'll roll really nice off of it. So I'm just kind of starting at my kind of a normal spot here, 30 board with my feet. Nice and smooth off the back. I like that. Nice ball motion there. So the original cell, I was actually a little too young, I think, actually. I didn't even start bowling till mid-high school, if you guys have been following me. I was a baseball player. Decided to start bowling in high school, 2005. So I didn't actually get a chance to throw the original cell, but I saw a lot of people using it. Little high flush there, but 3 in a row to start. Make sure I don't bowl too fast. Let's go for the fourth one. Oh, way right, recover. Ooh, got away with it. So as you guys can see with the first few shots there, I've missed in a little bit. I got it right where I wanted to. And on that last one, I missed a little far right. I tried to get it further right and it still recovered, so that was pretty cool. So far we have all strikes, the Roto Grip Xcell. I just like how smooth it is so far, and forgiving too. Oh, got away with that as well. Trustworthy might be a good word to use. All right, so I'm gonna take a deep breath here. Halfway through the game, all strikes so far. As you guys can see, I've been a little different at the break point, but I've struck every time, so that is cool. I like that ball off my hand. So far, I'm not as consistent, but this ball motion's pretty consistent, meaning that even if I'm not throwing it the best, I'm still having pretty overall good motion with this ball. And the layout I put on it makes it still pretty strong because that vertical axis line angle of that pin buffer is pretty small. So far, front 6. Oh, I knew that was going to happen soon. I should have moved. 4-pin. So the learning point there is if you see the ball start to creep up on the head pin, it's hooking a little bit early, make sure to stay ahead of the transition and move over, normally 2 and 1 with your feet, meaning 2 with your eyes, two with your feet, excuse me, and 1 with your eyes. or you can even do 3 and 2 if you want to make a bigger move. So I should have moved there, even though I had front 6. And I should have used my spare ball that I don't have in the video right now. That's okay. All right. So we got 3 more frames to go. What do you guys think of the colors of this ball? Pretty neat, huh? Looks just like the original cell. Pretty close. So I'm gonna do that 2 and 1 now. Fell off my shot, get in there. Okay. So I got the ball to push a little bit further down the lane, just moving a couple boards over. That helped, even though I fell off my shot. Still a really awesome game here. Would have been nice to shoot a perfect 300 in the video, but not too bad. Really liking the motion. What are you guys thinking? Do you like the trustworthiness of the ball, predictable motion? Go! Oh, almost. That was a little too far right at the break point, but still a pretty good shot. See if I can spare this one. I'm gonna go a little straighter with this. I'm not gonna hook it this one. Just use the Xcell here. All right, 10th frame. What do you guys think I do? Do I strike? Do I get the first ball? Let's see. Let's find out. So I liked where I was standing there. I'm still that 2 and 1 left of my original spot. Just gonna try to execute a good shot here. Got the 4 out. So I've had the 4 and the 9, and I almost left the 4 there, but got a strike. So let's see here. This ball's really digging nice. I like the motion. I think this is something I could use on some heavier volume, different tournament conditions, and even house that we're bowling on now. Oh, there's the 10 pin. 10 pin. All right, so still in the 230s. I had the first 6 strikes. Then I went 9 missed because I should have used a spare ball for that. That's what I normally do. Then a strike, 9 spare strike, and hopefully a 9 spare here to finish. Overall, really like the motion of this ball. If you guys would like to get yours, just head to proapproachbowling.com. All right, guys, so that was a Roto Grip Xcell. Really trustworthy, consistent, and versatile ball reaction. As you guys noticed, I missed in a few times, I missed right a few times, but overall, really cool reaction there. If you'd like to get one, head to proapproachbowling.com, use code YouTube, and we'll see you all out in the lanes for the next video. If you'd like to check out any videos like this for other bowling balls, just go ahead and click right here, and we'll see you all in the next video.